Hello, this is Ranjan Burman, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the Bengali meaning of the sentence structures that we have in English. This tutorial is very important tutorial the in between the tutorials that I have uploaded. This will help a lot to the people who are learning Bengali language. The Bengali meaning of I do is Ami Kori. The meaning of I am doing is Ami Korchi. I have done is Ami Korechi. Here the meaning of Ami, the English meaning of I is Ami in Bengali, Ami, and Kori is the verb, that is do, Kori. Korchi is continuous, Korchi. Korechi is perfect, I have been doing, Ami Korchi. As you can see, the continuous part and the perfect continuous part in Bengali is same pronunciation, but in English the tense part is different for each sentence. I am doing, that means I am doing something that I'm doing their time is it is about very little time. I'm doing, like currently I'm doing something, but if I say I have been doing, that means I have been doing something from a long time. But in Bengali you cannot specify them, that if you want to specify them that this is something you are doing for a long time, then it would be, I'm writing here, Onekkon. If the calculation is in hours and also Onek din, if the calculation is in days, so we can write Ami Onekkon, sorry, this is Onek din, no, yes, Onek din, Ami Onekkon or Onek din. Then we have to add one more thing, that is dhore. Korchi. The pronunciation I should write Onekkon. And here Onek din. So if you want to mean something that you are doing from a long time, or so many you have spending so many days, then you can specify this meaning. আমি অনেকক্ষণ or অনেক দিন ধরে, ধরে that means continue করছি। নেক্সট, I did, আমি করেছিলাম। করেছিলাম, I was doing, আমি করছিলাম। করছিলাম, I had done, আমি করেছিলাম। করেছিলাম। So again you can see the meaning of I did and the meaning of I had done in Bengali. The pronunciation is same. আমি করেছিলাম, also আমি করেছিলাম। In Bengali we have no separate meanings for I did and I had done. Next, I had been doing, I had been doing meaning is same as I was doing. It is same like in present tense, present continuous and present perfect continuous. It is that was করছি and here it is করছিলাম, আমি করছিলাম। But in case of had been doing, we know the time is long and I was doing here the time is short. So as I told, in case of present perfect continuous, অনেকক্ষণ, অনেক দিন, also we can add অনেক বছর in case of the time the time is about years. Then we have to add ধরে, করছিলাম, আমি অনেকক্ষণ or অনেক দিন ধরে করছিলাম। Here we know the pronunciation of অনেকক্ষণ and অনেক দিন, and also we can say অনেক বছর। When the time is in years. বছর। Next, okay, I am adding this অনেক বছর here, অনেক দিন or অনেক বছর। ধরে is dhore, ধরে। Next, I will do, I will do is আমি করব। করবো। I will be doing, আমি করতে থাকবো। করতে থাকবো, থাকবো। Then I will have done, আমি করে রাখবো। আমি করে রাখবো or থাকবো। Like if I say mother will have cooked, this meaning in Bengali is, the sentence is mother will have cooked. This meaning in Bengali is ma. The meaning of mother is ma will have cooked. Cook in Bengali is ranna. Ranna. Cook is ranna. So mother will have cooked, ma ranna করে রাখবে। But if I say boys will have played football, then we will say in Bengali ছেলেরা। boys mean in Bengali is ছেলেরা। ছেলেরা play in Bengali is খেলা করা। খেলা, here খেলে because subject is boys. Boys will have played football. বালকেরা ফুটবল খেলে থাকবে। In case of I, we will say থাকবো. In case of other subjects like third person singular number or second person singular plural or third person plural, we will say খেলে থাকবে. But if it is about I, we, then we will tell থাকবো, রাখবো. And if it is not first person singular plural, then we will say রাখবে, থাকবে. That we will know about this thing later in details. Next sentence is I will have been doing. As we know that continuous part is same for present continuous and present perfect continuous, and in case of past continuous and past perfect continuous meaning is same in Bengali. Similarly, future continuous and future perfect continuous meaning in Bengali are same. আমি করতে থাকবো or রাখবো। But you know that we will add this thing to specify it, that the thing is we will be doing for a long time. অনেকক্ষণ ধরে, অনেকদিন ধরে or অনেক বছর ধরে। অনেকক্ষণ when the time is in hours, অনেক দিন when the time is in days, অনেক বছর when the time is in years. Next, I may do. আমি হয়তো করি। আমি হয়তো করি, I may do. Here হয়তো is may. May mean is হয়তো। Do mean is করি, and I mean in Bengali is আমি। Next, I can do. আমি করতে পারি। করতে পারি। Next, I would do. আমি করতাম। করতাম। I shall do. I shall do has the same meaning like I will do. আমি করব। I might do. আমি হয়তো করেছিলাম। আমি হয়তো করেছিলাম। I must do. আমি নিশ্চয় নিশ্চয় করি। আমি নিশ্চয় করি। Here নিশ্চয় is must. I could do. আমি করতে পারতাম। করতে পারতাম। পারতাম or পেরেছিলাম। This will be raw. পেরেছিলাম। আমি করতে পারতাম or পেরেছিলাম। I should do. আমার This is not ami, this is amar. করা উচিত। উচিত, uচিত, actually this is not u, this is u, uw, u, uচিত. So I have completed in this video up to 20. In my next video I will show the other meanings of the rest of the structures, that these tutorials will be very helpful for the people who really who is really interested to learn Bengali language from English. Thank you for watching this video.